Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today, guys, we are reviewing tools and I've got them spread out everywhere. We're going to look at a tool bag. Now, this one is the one I use quite a bit. I like it, heavy duty. It has a pull-up handle, very nice. But if you're wanting the Cadillac of electrical backpacks, it's going to be this. This is the Veto, and it is extremely nice, extremely heavy duty made. Take, for instance, the handle. If you look at this, it's got pins that go through it, a big grip. I mean, it's not going to come apart. A lot of them, like this one I have here, just has a steel cable on the inside. If you look at the zippers on these, extremely heavy duty made, good grips, but the zippers are made to last a long time. So let's take a look at what it looks like, in the actual compartments themselves. You've got one in the front that is going to open up, keep a lot of my small stuff up here in the front, a lot of bits, things that I use. I have a big pouch with clips. You can open that up and get down to things like safety glasses, testing equipment, anything that you want to put there. And I even have another zipper compartment right here in the very front, and I'll keep a lot of things like, spare keys and things that I may need. So I'm going to put that there. And you're going to see that they are reinforced on a lot of these zippers with things like this leather patch. The leather patch also helps keep you from scarring up or messing up things if you set it up against it. You're going to notice that it has a high rubber bottom on it, which is great for setting it down, especially in areas that are bad. If there's water or mud on the floor, it keeps your tools up out of that. That's a good probably 4 inches or so there, so that it doesn't get your tools damaged. Now, I also have the little D-hook area so that I can hook wire, I can hook tape, whatever I need on the sides. It has my clip to be able to put my tape measure right on the side of it. And on this side, I have another D-hook, and I have a lot of little areas. I could put my little no contact tester here. I can put pins, whatever I need. Come around to the back side. One of the first things you're going to see is it has a pull-up hook, and I love this, so I can hang this on the wall and keep it up off the ground, ready to rock and grow the next time. I also have the really nice harness set up to be able to wear this with a padded, super padded back, by the way. But the harness is nice. A lot of these harnesses, this one, for example, just has a strap, a little strap. This one has a metal piece that goes across, and it has the actual chest. So it has everything to make this really, really heavy duty. So let's look inside of the big compartments. I'm going to zip this all the way down, both sides, so that it opens up. I have totally shielded compartments here that are in plastic. So if I have, documents, things that I'm working from, blueprints, they can go inside of here and be protected. Anything that's real sensitive, even my cell phone, fits great up in these areas. But I have several. This one you can reach way down inside, and I can keep things like ID cards and all kinds of really cool things in there. Good zippers, just like in the front. And then I have a ton of compartments for all of my electrical tools. Everything is spaced out fantastic, and I even have some D-rings in here as well. Let's close this one back, and let's take a quick look at the next compartment. So my next compartment is going to unzip from the back side, just like that, and I have more really specialized compartments here, big ones and some waterproof ones. I have an area here I keep a hammer. I can keep some of my pack out type stuff in here, wrenches and cutters. And then I have another zipper here, another D-ring. I have another place I can loop on tape and all kinds of small equipment. So it gives me a ton of area. But the big thing about Veto type bags is that they're extremely heavy duty. Every place that you see that's sewn, every place that has a connector is stitched and double stitched. They're using extremely good materials. It is made to last a lifetime. That's why they call these Veto bags the Cadillac of electrical backpacks. So if you're wanting something really, really good that's going to last a very long time, I don't think you're going to go wrong. So do yourself a favor and pick yourself up a Veto bag today. I don't think you'll regret it. We'll see you guys on the next review.